Hi friends, I am back with a fairly easy home decor project here, and what you will need are those frames that have the canvas stains in the middle. There are several of those. You're going to need the jute wire cord, and then you don't necessarily need the frame with the silver backing. You can go ahead and cancel that. We're going to use that frame that has the twine and the clothespins, and these are optional, the self-adhesive hooks. You will need 3 of the Decor 5x5 boxes, and I've gone ahead and already painted 2 of those, and I've pushed the backing out on them so that they're just by themselves. This piece here, we're going to utilize that circle, so be nice to it once you're pulling it off, and let's just go ahead and paint everything white. So we're going to use the chicken wire I bought from the Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to cut 2 pieces measuring at these 5x5 boxes. And you're going to take a little stapler or whatever kind of stapler you have on hand, and literally I just stapled the chicken wire to the back of the box. Once you are done stapling, you're going to go ahead and take some wire cutters, even some scissors will do, and you're going to cut those pieces, the excess pieces off. I just wanted to see how this was going to work, and I went ahead and did it again and secured every edge of the chicken wire. Right there I'm showing you the paper that I picked up from the Hobby Lobby, and that's what I Mod Podged to the back of that 5x5, so it almost looks like wood or shiplap type piece. I love the way it turned out, and again, all I did was I used the matte Mod Podge from the Dollar Tree. The greenery is also from the Hobby Lobby, and what I did was I wrapped it twice to the size of the circle, glue gunned it, and this is how it turned out. So then for the stains that you're going to add to the chicken wire, this is what I did. All I did was I popped the back of this frame, and I was able to pull out those canvas stains, and that is what is added onto the chicken wire. So I was trying to figure out what I wanted at the center of that circle. I had picked this up a while back at Joann's, and it was too big. I wasn't feeling it. So I also remembered that I had a piece from the Hobby Lobby that I had picked up that's on clearance, and there are the 3 boxes that we've been working on. Those tiny clothespins are actually from the Dollar Tree. They're in the craft section, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what I ended up adding at the center, which was from the Hobby Lobby. Like I said, everything that is on clearance right now is crazy beautiful at Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure what is going on, but all their spring market stuff is on clearance, and it's awesome. So anyway, I detached the circle initial and glue gunned it. So here's where I want to just get so mad, because the footage that I had showing you how to attach the jute wire, just, I don't know what happened to it. It disappeared. So basically it's really easy. All you do is wrap that wire against each edge of the frames, one at the bottom and one at the top, and then you attach that middle one right at the center, and it's just glue gunned with a piece of fabric holding it at the center, and this is that piece. Sorry guys. Moving on to the second piece, you're going to need this frame, and I'm going to show you why. Basically, I want something where I can hang my keys, and this just seems so perfect to me. So basically, it's this frame, and that attachment there is a canvas frame that I took the canvas off. The reason I did that is because I want the texture of each of the frames to match, and that's what I did. So I took the canvas off, layered this with the glue gun on top of this frame, painted it white with the chalky white paint, and I got the same texture and the same width that I was looking to do. So that's what I did there. fairly easy, right friends? I did keep the jute wire at the opposite end of each frame. I thought it just still looked good, so I kept that. And what I did was I also added some raffia ribbon from the Dollar Tree, made a bow, and I did add it to the center. These awesome clothespins are from the Hobby Lobby, and to make this project permanent, like I said, you want to use wood glue. It'll last longer. Using the glue gun is just to show you really quick, but if you want this project to last you, you will need to wait for it to dry with wood glue. I did want to show you other embellishments that I love having in my shed and around my house. That cross is from the Hobby Lobby. I thought it would look cute hanging from the clothespin along with my keys, and I haven't had a chance to take a video of this up or a picture, but I will be posting to my Instagram later. If you don't follow me now. It's Lemon Avenue Life. And I hope that you guys like this project. Like I said, it's fairly easy and it goes along with the theme that I have here in the house, which is a modern farmhouse theme. All my projects will usually stay within that white palette. So thanks for watching, guys. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for more fun, easy DIYs like these. I hope you guys like this one. Have a great week. Bye. Remember the optional silver adhesive hooks? You can also use those if you want to strictly stay Dollar Tree based. Incorporate those self-adhesive hooks along with the white trash cans that I've used in my previous videos for fall videos and my videos such as the office decor and stuff like that. I use the white trash can frames as chicken wire, so you can definitely make this just Dollar Tree, strictly Dollar Tree pieces. I hope I inspire you guys to create these pieces, and like I said, have a great week, guys. Bye.